What's up, guys? Today is day 4 of my 30-day art challenge thing. Today's going to be a little bit different, though. It's not like drawing or anything. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an aluminum can tab bracelet, sort of like this. But the difference is I'm going to be teaching how to make it with monster cans on the front where like it'll actually show so that it looks a little cool and you can add pizzazz. Okay, so what you'll need is like shoelace or string or something. I just found this on the ground and I thought it would match for what I'm going for. And then you'll also need your tabs. And for some reason there's a guitar pick in here. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your string and you're gonna line it up like that. So then you're gonna get a normal tab with two things, and you're just gonna take this, you're gonna put each end through a hole on the tab and pull it the whole way back. Try not to cut your rope either, like while you're doing this. So then you're gonna take your next thing. I'm gonna take a monster thing, and since monster things only have one hole, you're just gonna put both strands through it and then pull it through. So then you're gonna take your strands again, and what you're gonna do is you're actually going to put them back through this first thingy. So that's the top one, and then the bottom one, you take it and you guide it through the back. So you're kind of making a chain link. You're kind of making a chain link with these. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a normal one. The entire back side's gonna be made up of normal ones, and then the front side's kind of gonna alternate between like monster and normal. You could hypothetically do this all with monster tabs if you wanted to, but I don't have enough like red ones for what I'm trying to do do this, so I'm just gonna like add some silver ones in there, like this one. You're gonna take it, and since this one actually has both of them, you're gonna take that through the top, and then you're also gonna put it through the top on your bottom one here. And then after this, it should get pretty easy once you get it down. You kind of just repeat this. I forgot to mention that you need 12 tabs for each side, so 24 tabs total. For this, I'm going to use 12 normal tabs in the back, and then there's going to be 6 monster tabs, 6 normal ones on the front. Should look sort of like that. So then you take another back piece and you put it under here, and you just kind of like chain them all together. Like this will go through both the back and the front, like so. I hope the camera quality isn't too bad. I don't really have a proper way to record this. I just have a bunch of stuff stacked in my phone. But yeah, then you go through, and this is probably where I'll like stop kind of explaining, because it's kind of the same from here on out. But for this one, since your last monster tab is here, it's gonna like raise them or lower them depending on where you put it. So what you're gonna do so that everything's even, this one is raised, so this one you're gonna put in upside down so that it's lowered. What I mean is you take your tab upside down and you take your 2 strands of rope and you just guide them through each other and then pull back. I might not finish this on camera, but you just repeat that, and then you bring your tabs through the back here into here, and you kind of repeat that process as many times as you need. So yeah, just repeat that. I'm probably gonna stop recording here, but just repeat that process until it looks something like this. Okay, but for when you do finish your monster tab one, if you want to know like how I put these on, because that's like a lot of access. It's actually just like, what I like to do is I throw my two ends through the last piece here so that it's easier, and like sometimes I tighten it a little before putting it on me. But what I'll do is I'll take these two, do that, blah blah blah, you tighten a little, you put it on. I put it on so that like the laces are on my wrist, and then you just kind of tighten until it looks like a bracelet, and then you just tie it down and let those dangle, because why not? Doesn't hurt anyone. Okay guys, so that was how to make a like soda tab, monster tab, that was how you make a monster tab bracelet. Obviously this isn't finished, I just didn't have the time, and I think what I might do is redo it without the silver ones on the front, so that it's just black, red, sort of like my belt, because I think that would be really cool. So maybe I'll post about that when it's not like that. But that's it for day 4 of my art challenge. Hope you enjoyed.